Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lessons Towards Knowledge, your favorite place to learn English through fun and easy stories. Today, we have a very special story for you. It's called Olivia's Birthday Party. This story is perfect for beginners. It's slow, simple, and full of useful English words and phrases. So, get comfortable, relax, and listen carefully. Are you ready? Let's go. This is Olivia. Olivia is 9 years old. She lives in a small town with her parents, her little brother Max, and a black and white cat named Cookie. It's Monday morning. The sun is shining, birds are singing. Olivia opens her calendar. She smiles and shouts, "It's my birthday this Saturday!" "I will be 10." She jumps on her bed with excitement. 10 years old! I want a party, a big party! She runs to the kitchen. Her mother is making breakfast. "Mom, can I have a birthday party this year? With balloons and games and cake?" Her mom smiles. "Of course, Olivia, but planning a party takes time and effort. Are you ready to help?" Olivia nods with energy. "Yes, yes, yes, I will help with everything." That evening, Olivia sits at the dining table with her mom. They have paper, markers, and a big cup of hot cocoa. "Let's write a party list," says Mom. Olivia writes, "Guests, invitations, decorations, food and drinks, music games, cake party bags." She also draws a big balloon next to the word fun. Mom asks, "Who do you want to invite?" Olivia thinks carefully. She writes a list. Mia, her best friend from school Lucas, her neighbor Zoe, the girl from ballet class Ethan, her cousin Sarah, her reading buddy Liam, her art club friend Grandma, and Grandpa Uncle Ben. 8 people, that's a lot, says Mom, but it's okay. Let's send invitations tomorrow. On Tuesday afternoon, Olivia makes her own invitation cards. Each card is colorful, with balloons, stars, and a big smiling cake. The message says, "You're invited. It's Olivia's 10th birthday. Come celebrate with us." Olivia's house Saturday at 3 p.m. games, snacks, music, and fun. She puts the cards in envelopes and adds stickers. She gives them to her friends at school and the neighbors later that day. On Wednesday, Olivia and her mom go to the party store. They buy 20 red and yellow balloons, colorful streamers, a big happy birthday banner, party hats, paper plates and cups with animal faces, confetti glow sticks for a dance party. Olivia says, "This will be the best party ever." On Thursday, Olivia and her dad clean the backyard. They wash the picnic table, sweep the floor, and hang lights in the trees. Olivia ties colorful ribbons on every chair. She makes little signs. "Welcome." "Cake this way." "Let's dance." On Friday, Olivia helps in the kitchen. She and her mom make mini sandwiches, fruit skewers, cupcakes with rainbow sprinkles, a big bowl of popcorn lemonade, and apple juice. The main cake is a surprise. It is being made by a special bakery downtown. Olivia doesn't know what it looks like yet. It's Saturday. Olivia wakes up early. The big day is here. She puts on her new pink dress with flowers. She brushes her hair and puts on a small crown. Her little brother Max gives her a handmade card. "Happy birthday, Olivia! You're the best big sister!" Olivia hugs him. "Thank you, Max." The house looks beautiful. There are balloons everywhere. Music is playing. The smell of cupcakes fills the air. At exactly 3 p.m., the guests start to arrive. "Hi, Olivia." "Happy birthday." "Wow, your dress is so pretty." "I love the decorations," Olivia says. "Thank you." "I'm so glad you came." The children play fun games, treasure hunt. Olivia hides small gifts around the garden. Musical chairs. Everyone laughs when Lucas sits too fast. Balloon pop game. Each balloon has a funny challenge inside. Pass the parcel, with music and surprise gifts inside. Everyone is laughing, running, shouting, and smiling. Then, the moment comes. The cake arrives in a big box. Olivia opens it. Wow! It's a unicorn-shaped cake with stars, clouds, and edible glitter. Everyone claps and sings, "Happy birthday to you." Olivia closes her eyes. She makes a wish. "I wish to always have friends, fun, and cake." She blows out the candles. Everyone eats cake and licks their fingers. Mmm, delicious, says Zoe. Just before the party ends, Olivia's parents bring one last gift. It's a small box with a red bow. She opens it and sees a tiny collar. Then, meow, a small kitten walks in. A kitten? For me? Her mom nods. Yes, her name is Luna. Happy birthday, Olivia. Olivia picks up Luna and hugs her. This is the best birthday ever. As the sun sets, the guests say goodbye. Thank you, Olivia. That was amazing. Can we have another party next week? Happy birthday again. Olivia waves and smiles. Her heart is full. That night she writes in her diary, Today I turned 10. I laughed, I danced, I played, and I got a kitten. I will never forget this day. She hugs Luna and goes to sleep, dreaming of rainbows and confetti. Practice questions for you. How old is Olivia now? What day is her birthday party? What food did they prepare? What games did they play? What was the surprise gift? Who is Luna? What color were the balloons? Who is Max? What did Olivia wish for? How did Olivia feel at the end? Thank you so much for listening to Olivia's birthday story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned many new English words. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel Lessons Towards Knowledge for more fun English stories. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. See you next time and keep practicing your English every day. Bye-bye. Hi.